So you have listed your real estate property on MagicBricks, from where you are getting lot of real estate leads, and now you want to send the SMS to your lead sharing some property related information. So in this video I'll show you how to send the SMS to your MagicBricks leads automatically. And for sending these SMS I will use ClickSend application, which is an amazing application especially for sending the SMS only. In place of ClickSend you can also use any other SMS application as well, okay? And to automate this whole SMS sending process, firstly we will have to build an integration in MagicBricks and this ClickSend application, which I am going to do with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, simply click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation, okay? So I have directly pasted the name as send SMS to MagicBricks leads automatically. Now I will select the folder in which I want to create my automation workflow. Now simply clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. So basically you need to choose your application in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation, okay? So according to our use case, I want that whenever any new lead is captured in MagicBricks application, then automatically send the SMS using ClickSend application, okay? And again I am telling you, it is not compulsory that you select ClickSend only for sending the SMS. You can use any other application as well. Here you can notice lot of SMS application are provided here, that is bulk SMS, burst SMS, and there are lot more, okay? But according to our use case, I will proceed with ClickSend only, okay? And now the idea here is, firstly I will connect MagicBrick with Pabbly Connect and will capture the lead detail, and then I will connect Pabbly Connect with the ClickSend and send the SMS automatically. So let us select the trigger event, that is new leads. Triggers when the new lead is captured. So yes, I want to perform the same, and here you can notice it has provided us a webhook URL. So with the help of this URL only we are going to build this connection, okay? So kindly read these instructions carefully, okay? To automate this lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your MagicBricks account. Well, in order to configure this URL, you will actually have to reach out to your account manager from MagicBricks, and your integration will be activated by the team within a week's time. Yes, it is going to take at least 1 week, and once they activate the subscription, leads will start coming to the campaign selected by you. Yes, you will have to follow this process, and you can also read this important note. Click on the below capture webhook response button and then contact to the support team. Well, I have already told you that you will have to reach out to their team, and once they set the webhook for you, whenever a new lead will be arrived, those lead data will be captured via Pabbly Connect, okay? So I will wait for some time, and once the leads will start getting captured here, then I will come back here. So here you can notice the response is received, and let me show you the details one by one. As a mobile number, I have this dummy phone number, the location as People's Mall, the lead name is demo, the last name is leads, the email address is demo@pabblytools.com, and area is Premier Orchard. So basically this is just a dummy data. My objective is just to show you how connections can be made or how to send the SMS automatically. So that is why I'm using only the dummy data, and if you're thinking this is just a dummy phone number, so how I'll show you the SMS sending process. So don't worry, I will replace this dummy number with my genuine phone number, and then I'll show you the SMS example as well, okay? So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between MagicBricks and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine, and currently I have collected only the basic information, but you can ask your account manager to send more lead data, okay, more values. Alright, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now onwards, what will happen? Every time a new lead is arrived via your MagicBricks website, the details of that lead will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now moving further, I will show you how to send the SMS to the same lead. So the application is already selected. Now I will select the action event, that is send SMS. Okay, so let me search for the same, whether we have any send SMS action event or not. Yes, we do have the same. Clicking on connect, then clicking on add new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the username, the API key. Okay, so I just need to click on the developers menu on the down left and select the API credentials. Alright, so this is the dashboard, this is the developer option, and this is the API credential option, and here we have the username and the API key as well. Okay, let me paste the same username here. Now it's turn to copy the API key, clicking on this button and coming back, pasting the same, clicking on save, and in this way my ClickSend account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And because it is connected, now it is asking several details which are actually required for sending the SMS. Okay, firstly it is asking the phone number. So from where I am going to provide the phone number? Remember, we have already captured the lead data as a response of our trigger step, and the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy this data and paste below again and again for every new lead. I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down, and in this way you can map the details. Okay, but you must be thinking, what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time and in next time. Okay, and you will also have to read the instructions that kindly provide the phone number along with the country code as well. Okay, so I have provided the country code as well, that is +91, and this is the phone number. But don't worry, I will replace this phone number with my genuine number. Okay, asking for the from number, well, because I'm actually working into the testing account, so how about I leave it blank? In that case, it will automatically take a default number, asking for the message, basically the SMS which you would like to send to your lead. Okay, so I have already prepared a basic SMS, so how about I directly copy and paste the same. And now firstly I will correct the formatting of this SMS, and then I'll show you how the same SMS will be sent. Okay, so I think I have corrected the formatting. There should be one space here also, hello, and I want that the lead name should appear here automatically. So that is why in place of this angular bracket I am about to map the name of the lead, which was dummy. No, it was not dummy, it was demo lead. Alright, so here we have the name of the lead, and now I'll give a space and will also map the last name of the lead, which was leads. Well, I'm really sorry for this S. Alright, so here we have the first name and last name. Thank you for showing your interest in our property. Our real estate agent will call you back in next 2 hours and will listen all the requirements. Meanwhile, you can check this property brochure for more details. Thanks, ABC Real Estate. Alright, so in this way you can compose your SMS, and whatever the details you want to keep on changing automatically with every new MagicBrick lead, you can add those values via mapping, and whatever the details we have provided manually will remain same. Asking for the scheduled at, well, yes, there is an option of scheduling also, but currently I will leave this particular field blank. Okay, so how about I directly click on this button and then I'll show you the screenshot of the SMS which I am about to receive on my phone number. But before that, I will have to provide my number here so that I can show you the screenshot. Alright, so I have provided the number. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response. Well, here you can notice it is showing success. I will have to check my mobile and check whether the SMS is received or not. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so I have received the SMS on my phone number. Let me upload the screenshot as well. So this is the SMS. Hello demo lead, thank you for showing your interest in our property. Our real estate agent will call you back in next 2 hours and will listen all your requirements. Meanwhile, you can check this property brochure for more details, and the link is also attached here. Thanks, ABC Real Estate. Okay, so did you notice how the SMS is received automatically on my phone number by simply creating this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. Yes, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect MagicBricks with any SMS application and automate the process of sending the SMS to your leads instantly. And to automate this, you need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. Okay, so simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And if you want to collect MagicBricks leads instantly and automatically to your spreadsheet, I will also attach the link of that video into the I button. You can check that automation tutorial and learn how you can instantly add the leads to Google Sheets. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.